explain how to write a Linux kernel code to communicate with Arduino 7-segment display, and we'll be sending the numbers through the serial interface ports. So let's go. So as before writing the Linux kernel code, we should have the Arduino 7-segment display code ready. So as you can see, for each pin in 7-segment display, what needs to be which pin needs to be assigned. I have already done the setup. So for each number, there is a function. For each number, which pin needs to be high, which pin needs to be low it's already mentioned here. In the setup phase, we are initiating the serial.begin to 9600 port. And I'm initiating all the pins. So during the loop, you can see checking if the serial is available still, and I'm reading the serial command, and based on the number which I'm getting from the serial port, I'll be calling that particular function. So 0 means digital 0, 1 means digital 1, and so on up to 9. So this is basically the Arduino code. This needs to be flashed first. So the next one is the Arduino Linux Arduino COM driver code. So initially we can see there's a serial device. In my system, the TTY ACM0 is how we connect to the Arduino. It's a device driver for device file for the Arduino. And as you can see, we have several functions: serial open, serial close. But as you know, module init and module exit are the initial functions that will be called when a kernel module is open. So module init calls the LED driver init. LED driver init opens the serial, calls the serial open, and it opens the serial device file, which is present here. And while terminating phase of the module, it will do a serial close. Yeah, it will close the serial file, device file. So whenever a number is actually called, added, it will go to this buffer, and then it will call the serial write. Serial write uses a VFX. Once a number is written in the device file, then it will be passed to the Arduino, and we'll be able to see the sound segment. So let's try to execute it. So now let's start the module. Now the module is started. Let's check the D message. Yeah, as you can see, the LED driver is initialized. It is showing. Now let's open another prompt. Let's go to cd/there, and we will now try to enter some value. So as you can see, if I put echo 1, we are able to see, and we pass it to the device driver file, we are able to see that in the Arduino. Now I will try different values. Yeah. So now we are able to see how we are able to communicate it to Arduino.